Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can convert or turn an SVG file into a JPEG document on Inkscape in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, navigate to Inkscape, open up a new document, and first you will need to either save your document in SVG file format or let me import an SVG file format from my device and convert it later to JPEG. So to import the SVG, navigate to the import button on the right hand side, navigate to the SVG file on your device, and what you want to do is insert it, and after that, once it has been inserted, what you will need to do is click into File in the top left, select Export, or use the shortcut Shift-Control-E, and that is going to open up that export panel or tab here. So in the bottom right corner you will see the output file format or export format, which is set to PNG on default, but if you click into it you may select JPEG. For example, if you're working on an SVG file format, select JPEG, confirm the exporting, select the download folder here, and that's it. Export the SVG in JPEG, and that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.